You are here because you want to know how to make money. Whether it's $1, $1,000, or even $1 million you are looking to make, I will show you the 5 best ways that you can achieve this. Get a job. One of the most popular methods is to get a job. If you walk on the streets and ask people how they make money, the majority of people will tell you that they have a job. This means that they are employed within a company, and in exchange they get money for their time spent actively participating there. Even though getting a job is useful with the money that it brings, the issue with it is that you have to put the work in. Yes, unfortunately this is not a free ride. That is what puts a lot of people off getting a job. There is also the issue of applying for the job too. Unless you are head of the company or know someone within the company who is happy to just let you in, you'll have to go through a grueling interview period. You'll need to provide all of your personal information to the interviewer, with the exception of your bank PIN number, which you should be allowed to keep private. There is also no guarantee of getting that job either, as the employer could just be disgusted by your presence. This means that money that you could be making is spent wasted going through this continual interview cycle. This leads straight on to the next method: stealing. This involves taking money that does not belong to you and claiming it for yourself. I would not recommend stealing money from others because this can lead to getting caught, which could result in getting physically assaulted yourself by fist, leading to hospital, and the medical bills to pay for your injuries could end up costing you more than what you initially stole. You could also end up in prison for your actions. Oh, and it's also ethically wrong, so there's that aspect as well. Have a rich family or friends. I recommend this option if you don't enjoy going out to make your own money, or you're simply lazy. The main issue here is that you might have to ask for the money, but if your family or friends allow this, then that will be the only work that you'll need to do, and you'll be free to spend the money that is issued to you however you see fit. There is another problem with finding people that wish to give you money. I would advise being born into a rich family as the best method of getting money. Unemployment benefits. Another option is to take money directly from the government. This is not a form of stealing, as it is consensual, so you could be getting a nice bit of money coming your way. The only drawback here is that you have to have a legitimate reason why you can receive this income, and telling the government that you don't want to work is unfortunately not an acceptable enough reason in their eyes. If you are effective with your persuasive skills, then this is the method for you. Gamble what you have on the roulette table. If you want a quick and easy way of getting money, then this could be the perfect option for you. Obviously, you have to have a minimum amount of money to be able to do this in the first place, so try the other options first until you make enough money in order to gamble it all away. You will also need to be of a certain minimum age, as for some reason, casinos and other betting venues do not allow you to do this without being a certain age. Once you have met this criteria, you will be free to go straight onto the roulette table in the attempt to make lots more money. There is one minor setback here, which is that you could end up losing everything you bet on, as it is not a guaranteed to win solution. The best advice I can give you here, if you do decide to go through with this option, is to be lucky. So don't start gambling if somebody put a curse on you a few days prior. So there you have it. These are the 5 best options to make money. If you have an alternative solution to make money, please feel free to leave it in the comments section below. One bonus solution is to find some money on the floor. I've just found a penny here. Time to go to the casino. See you later.